Creativity calls for competition, which is what we are here for today. To inspire, imagine, and innovate food like never before. I'm Pallavi Batra. Welcome to McCain Star Chef Season 2. This is where professional chefs become star chefs.
Last year on the show, we saw 6 talented restaurant chefs battle it out. And one of them lifted the trophy and won the hearts and palates of our chefs.
This year, we are raising the bar. With over 5,000 registrations from across India, McCain is in search for the culinary world's rising star chef. 20 professional chefs from 4 regions, North, East, West and South of India, have made it to McCain Star Chef's kitchen. It's now time to meet the judges. These chairs will seat culinary sensations, award-winning icons and chefs who are known for their unique cooking styles.
She's known for her keen palate, innovative twists on classic dishes, a champion of Parsi dishes, and a force to reckon with in the culinary world. A cookbook author, social media sensation, and a celebrity who set up 9 outlets of a Parsi restaurant across India. Chef Anayata Dhondi. He is a household name in the culinary world, celebrated for his passion for regional Indian cuisines. With a career spanning across renowned kitchens and captivating food and travel television shows, he is a true culinary luminary and a legend of Indian cuisine. Please welcome Chef Aditya Bal.
Welcome to McCain Star Chef Season 2. It's so great to have both of you here. Thank you for being with us. You both are going to decide the fate of our 20 contestants. How does that feel?
Well, nervous a bit. Exciting, sense of responsibility, but I'm hoping at the end of the day, real quality and fun.
Absolutely great. Anayata?
I'm going to be looking out for some technique. And I think this is such a great platform and it's much needed for the industry where you can come from different backgrounds, different regions, and I'm so excited to meet all of them and see what they have in store for us because we have something exciting planned for them.
Yes, this is the season of surprises, isn't it, Chef?
Yeah.
Now, McCain is no surprise for anybody, anywhere in the world. It's a household name, especially with frozen items. What is your favorite McCain product that you've used and created something special out of?
Me personally, it has to be the French fries. From working in so many eateries and doing different takes on them and getting creative with them, cheesy fries and paprika fries, and she'd second me on that.
Yeah, I mean, you can't miss the smiles at any of those birthday parties.
Yeah, that's a staple. Nayata, what is it that you are going to be looking for with all these contestants? What is it that's going to make one of them stand out for you?
So I think for me, it's always been about flavor. It's flavor, flavor, flavor. That's most important. Of course, presentation is an important part as well, but flavor is king for me and keeping your stations clean.
Ooh, contestants, please note. Okay, closing thoughts. What are your expectations for the winning dish?
Keeping to what the brief is as well, I think that's important.
Yeah,
Let's see how they use
That's
everything that's put in front of them.
All right, that is wonderful. So thank you both so much for gracing us and let's take your seats. Let's go, please.
All right, the tables are set. Let us kickstart the first episode of McCain Star Chef Season 2 by meeting the 5 shortlisted contestants from the North Zone.
Myself, Chef Karan.
Hello everyone, I'm Rana Gupta.
Hello everyone, I'm Chef Deepak Singh.
Hi, my name is Vandana.
Hi, my name is Chef Sambhav.
Let the culinary games begin. Are you all ready to show us the best you've got?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, well, not yet. McCain Star Chef Season 2 is full of surprises. And today, we have a third judge. Please welcome Chef Vinod Bhati.
Chef Vinod Bhati, Range and Commercial Manager, IKEA India, a well-known name from the industry.
Chef.
Hi, Pallavi.
Welcome. Thank you for being with us today.
Thank you very much.
Chef, what are your expectations from these contestants?
The three basic things that I look for. One is the innovation that they do with the McCain products. Second is the simplicity. And third is presentation. So looking forward for three things from all of you.
Thank you so much, Chef. Please
Thank
have
you.
a seat. I hope you all took good note of that. Well, I can feel this kitchen brimming with excitement and culinary passion. The McCain Flame of Flavor will decide who goes and who stays at the end of today's episode. Judges, over to you.
Chefs, you need to put on your thinking caps today. Think flavor, think texture, think presentation.
Yeah, and to make all of your dishes, really memorable, you need to make them stand out. Each of your creations should transport us to different places. So keep it distinct, keep it fresh.
The dish should represent your personality on the plate.
It's time to take a look at the rules. We've got a spinning wheel, which is going to decide your fate today.
And the spinning wheel's got a bunch of different cuisines. So basically it is, up to what you spin and what you get.
जब पिनविल देखा मैंने कि उसमें 4 cuisines mentioned हैं.
It was a little dramatic for me in my mind.
कुछ cuisine बनाने में आप comfortable होते हो, उस चीज़ में नहीं इतने comfortable होते हो.
Spinning the wheel is actually a tricky kind of a situation wherein you have to choose.
You have to make 2-course meal. One main course, one starter. So we have lot of surprise ingredients on your left and right in the racks and the freezers and chillers. All main course you can use any of those ingredients. For the appetizer, mandatory ingredient is the wheat crisper. That is a must-have ingredient in your appetizer.
So you get 90 minutes to make the best version of your dish.
और जब judges ने बोला कि आपको 2 dishes बनानी हैं,
In a given time of 90 minutes.
कोई भी एक cuisine आप select करोगे पिनविल से.
मैंने सोचा कुछ भी आने दो.
चलो देखा जाएगा जो होगा उसमें जो भी आएगा उसमें बेस्ट करने की कोशिश करेंगे.
Ready to go?
Let's have the first contestant up, please. All the best. Go for it. Mexican, all the best.
I have never worked on Mexican food, so I just wanted to try it and still give my best.
Next up. Come on, give it a good spin.
Ooh, fusion.
That's a good idea, Chef.
Honestly, it won't be fair on the other contestants
Otherwise,
or on this
fusion would have been
contestant.
cool.
We can go with Indian.
Shall we? Is that the judge's call?
I was expecting Mexican, तो जब मैंने पिनविल घुमाया और वो Indian आया तो I was more than happy क्योंकि वो तो एक daily आप cooking करते ही हो.
जोर से. Aha, Italian.
We have lots of option in Italian cuisine. So I'm happy.
Next up.
When we were called for spinning the wheel, I had in my mind I could get an Italian cuisine or something like that because I'm quite comfortable with that cuisine.
Mexican. Interesting.
I would not say I was very happy, but yes, happy with it.
Next, please. Also Indian.
Really happy क्योंकि I am very much comfortable with the Indian क्योंकि we cook Indian food a lot.
Alright, so the fates are sealed. 2 people will be cooking Indian, 2 people will be cooking Mexican and 1 Italian. Alright, chefs, I hope you're all ready because your time starts now.
When the others were still searching for ingredients and I had started my Misa class, the reason behind it was like I was very much clear that what I'm going to present and what I'm going to do.
अब जो टास्क मिला वो तो कंप्लीट करना ही है, तो बस थोड़ा सा थिंक किया कि क्या करना है, नहीं करना है, कैसे करना है, क्या कर सकते हैं और क्या हटके हम कर सकते हैं।
I knew that I have to use the ingredients in such a way that if I am preparing one thing, it should be used in both the items.
That's the onion, chef, huh?
Yes, chef.
You got Mexican, right?
Yes, chef. So I'm planning to make some salsa.
Nice.
I will be putting that salsa in potato skins. For potato skins, I will be using veg crispies.
Oh, that's interesting. Quite
chef.
creative. Alright, so you're getting all of those elements in there. So this is for your appetizer, is it?
Yes, chef.
It's your app. And you got mains as well, right?
Yes, chef. For mains, I'm planning to make Mexican herb rice bowl.
Oh, nice bowl. Okay, that sounds quite exciting. Good luck.
Thank you,
Good
chef.
luck. Yeah. How's it coming along? You have the Italian essay.
Yeah.
So what are you thinking? How do you plan to integrate the McCain product?
या मैं स्टार्टर में ये चीज बकेट, बीक रिब चीज बकेट एंड मेन कोर्स में करी सॉस पास्ता.
Curry sauce.
Yeah, curry sauce
Okay,
pasta.
so a little bit of fusion as well.
Yeah,
And then you've got a cheese bucket with the fries.
Yeah.
ऐसे तो होटल इंडस्ट्री में काम किया हूँ, अभी कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में, बट कंपटीशन कभी नहीं किया, तो मैकेन आके मुझे लगा कि ये बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है हम लोग को ग्रो करने के लिए.
I just having a look at the station.
For the starters, I'm doing potato crispers with tomato and pineapple salsa.
All right.
And for the main course, I'm doing chili con carne.
All right. Your table looks very neat and clean. I
Yeah.
hope you have done all your meals. Keep looking at the walls.
I wanted to do 2 dishes, and that too I wanted them to be simple and perfect. So I don't end up having a third dish in the menu, and then I'm running for it, and I'm trying to, arrange up things in the last moment.
Contestants, you have 53 minutes remaining to showcase your dish.
मेरा टाइम चटनीज़ में वाकई में बहुत ज़्यादा चला गया था, क्योंकि मिक्सर ग्राइंडर में चटनी पिसी नहीं रही थी, क्योंकि बहुत थोड़ी क्वांटिटी में आई वाज मेकिंग.
How it's going for you?
It's going great.
I see a lot of colorful ingredients on your table.
Thank you so much.
Which I think you should be much faster.
Okay.
ये क्या बनाया आपने? कुछ तो कमाल का बनाया है.
ये प्याज टमाटर की ग्रेवी है.
अरे हाय, प्याज टमाटर की ग्रेवी बहुत बढ़िया, लाजवाब.
और जो हमारा पालक पनीर के कोफ्ते होते हैं, मैंने उसको थोड़ा ट्विस्ट दिया है, तो मैंने उसको पालक पनीर के पिन रिंग्स बनाए.
बहुत अच्छा. और स्टार्टर के लिए क्या सोचा आपने?
स्टार्टर के लिए, क्योंकि मेरा इंडियन क्विजीन है और हमारी दिल्ली की चाट बहुत फेमस है, तो मैं व्हीट क्रिस्पर को एक चाट के साथ बनाने की.
अच्छा, चटपटे व्हीट क्रिस्पर्स.
जो भी कोई क्विजीन चूज करूं या क्या प्लेटिंग करूंगी, कैसे बनाऊंगी, सो आई जस्ट वांटेड कि जो भी हो अच्छा बन सके.
Only 10 minutes left to go, literally 10 minutes, and I'm hoping you all have started plating.
जब प्लेटिंग के लिए अनाउंस हो रहा था कि बस थोड़ा सा टाइम रह गया,
टाइम फॉलो कर रही थी, तभी ये सारी चीज़ें मैंने प्लानिंग से बनाई.
you only have 5 minutes to make those V-Crispers nice and crispy.
All right, it's almost time. Judges, join me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up.
Well done, guys.
मेरा सब कुछ टाइम पे हो गया था, सारी चीज़ें रेडी थी.
आई कुड हैव प्लेटेड माई मेन डिश. जब मैंने उसको बना लिया था, मैं जैसे जैसे बनाती गई, मैं उसको मुझे कर लेना चाहिए था.
एक ग्रेस 2 मिनट या 1 मिनट भी मिल जाता तो मेरी डिश प्लेट पे ही होती,
लेकिन अब वो नहीं हो पाया.
Alvi, then call me.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we have Karan?
Yeah. When I presented my dish, I was quite confident because the ingredients I used, it was very close to the Mexican cuisine.
So could you just explain what you have made?
Made a pineapple and tomato salsa, coriander and parsley rice with some olive oil in it.
Okay, great. We're excited to taste.
Cooked rice from scratch?
No, the rice was actually given to us and then.
Okay.
Is there a reason that you added so many bell peppers?
No, I've just added 3 bell peppers for color, and the reason is like it's a vegetarian chili con carne.
The original recipe has a.
Original recipe has beef in it.
Okay. If you were using bell peppers, it should have been minced, so it gives you that feeling of the meatiness.
Mexican chili is primarily with ground meat and red beans with a special chili pepper.
Like I said, I was going to add soya granules just to make it more vegetarian.
Okay.
But I was not able to find it, so I could make it out from the judgment that somewhere or the other they were wrong at few places.
Could have like kind of played a little more with like the heat. But otherwise, yeah, I mean, okay, thank you very
good
much.
effort.
Thank you.
Good effort, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Karan.
Raina, please bring your plate. We know you didn't complete your plating, but we'd like to taste all the elements that you have made.
जब मेरी प्लेटिंग नहीं भी हो पाई थी, लेकिन तब भी जजेस ने मुझे बोला कि आप सारे एलिमेंट्स जो भी आपके रेडी हैं वो ले आइए, हम टेस्ट करेंगे. सो बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग आई. आई वॉज रियली थैंकफुल कि एटलीस्ट चलो आई एम एबल टू सर्व देम व्हाट आई हैव मेड, और एटलीस्ट वो टेस्ट करेंगे. उनका एक फीडबैक बहुत ज़रूरी था. एटलीस्ट उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से उसको मुझे हेल्प करा, तो आई रियली लाइक दैट जेस्चर.
It's very sad and disappointing that you could not put everything on the plate, and I think that's why we are all very, very disappointed. Just hope the flavors work. You know, honestly, if you ask me, the gravy tastes great, the chutney is great, the dahi is great, and I think आपने उन चीज़ों पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा focus करा है. You could have just focused on the pinwheel a little bit more, and you could have just plated on time. We would have been very happy.
I would say you tried to do something fairly complex, and at the same time, आपके जो elements हैं, they're pretty much quite cohesive. But I think आपका focus इस पे था, and this unfortunately to me looks like वो थोड़ा it's like a little afterthought kind of. इस पे focus आपका कम था. वो पे focus होना चाहिए. But thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Raina ji.
Thank you.
मैंने ये शायद प्लान किया कि मैं पहले सारे एलिमेंट्स बना लूँ, फिर मैं उनको एक साथ रखूँगी. वो फिर कहीं पे टाइम निकल गया और मैं वो नहीं कर पाई.
Let's see what he has made.
जितने जज होंगे आपको उतना सीखने को मिलता है. जितने पार्टिसिपेट आए हैं वो सब अपना बेस्ट देंगे, बट जज ही बताएंगे हम क्या कर रहे हैं क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं. चीज़ बास्केट मैंने बनाया, और मेन कोर्स में स्पेगेटी पास्ता विथ मशरूम इन करी सॉस.
How many ingredients?
Just onion, garlic, then coconut milk, salt and cheese.
क्यों सोचा आपने ये? Like, what was the idea?
हम लोग कॉन्टी को एक ऐसा टमाटो या वाइट सॉस मिल्क बेस करके चलते हैं हम लोग, उसमें कुछ डिफरेंट, मतलब डिफरेंट, मैं सोचा कुछ डिफरेंट करूँ.
It's time to spoil your
Thank
dish,
you.
Deepak. Thank you.
Thank you,
chef.
Deepak. Thank you
chef.
very much.
नेक्स्ट कैन वी हैव वंदना प्लीज. जैसा भी है ले आइए. वी लाइक टू टेस्ट इट. पता है आपका कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है.
Only the plating part is.
Just
Leave the way it is, we'll taste it.
अगर मुझे 1-2 मिनट और मिल जाते तो मैंने प्लेटिंग भी कर देनी थी. बट इट्स ओके, आई एम हैप्पी.
क्या बनाया आपने?
शेफ़ मैंने एक चाट फ्लेवर्ड वी क्रिस्पल्स बनाए थे, जिसके साथ मैंने इमली की चटनी और हरे पुदीने की चटनी भी बनाई है. देन एक लेयर डिश बनानी थी राइस के साथ, और एक मोती बनाया मैंने जो कि पनीर से बनाया है, उसके अंदर रेजिन स्टफ़ की है. और फिर एक कर्ड दी है फ्लेवर्ड, और एक ग्रेवी है. देन फ्राइड अनियंस.
बट इतना ज़रूर है सर कि ये नॉर्थ इंडियन राउंड है हमारा, है ना. एंड डेफिनेटली एज फार एज नॉर्थ इंडियन रिप्रेजेंटेशन इन द इंडियन फ्लेवर्स वो तो दिख ही रही.
I think you have used all the colors, I believe, और थोड़ा आपने fried onion भी रखा थोड़ा taste break करने के लिए. But I think one thing that lacked was the time management. It's a good attempt. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
You could have presented better.
Just any two elements well. Probably
so much
great.
to do this.
And all of this, man.
Last contestant, Sambhav, please get your dishes. Thank you.
For the appetizer, I have made potato skins. I saved some time by using veg crispies by McCain. The bowl with salsa.
Thank you.
You.
You said you made this for the first time.
Yes, chef.
Is there any ginger in any of this?
Yes, chef. There is
In
a
the
little
salsa?
bit in the salsa.
But that's not traditionally in Mexico. I mean, no green chili anywhere.
There is green chili in the salsa. There is green chili in the rice as well.
I think you used multiple color, multiple components.
Look
And yeah. Good attempt.
Thank you, chef.
Thank you, Sambhav.
Thank you, chef.
Thanks a lot. Okay, good. Let's go this.
Yeah.
All right, judges, so I see your deliberations are done. I think we have the results, but before we get to that, we'd love to hear your thoughts on our contestants for McCain Star Chef Season 2. Chef?
Yeah, for a first round, I think very interesting. And if this is the way it's started, then I'm looking forward to a lot more kind of creativity and flavors and good cooking. So yeah, I think overall, exciting and good start.
Great, Chef Anayata.
I mean, honestly, I was really looking forward to the two Indian dishes, and we all agreed that the flavors were really good, and I wish they'd completed on time.
And our special guest for today, Chef Bhati.
All the participants have done a wonderful job. Thank you, participants.
Thank you, Chef.
Let's have a big round of applause for our participants. And we have the final results in. With a good combination of components and a simple but elegant dish, as the judges put it, the winner for the North Zone of McCain Star Chef Season 2 is Sambhav Bhatnagar.
When they announced my name as the winner for Northern Region, I was in shock. Now I have to prepare for the finals. So I will work on my skills and I will study more and see you in the finale.
What an action-packed day it's been in the McCain Star Chef kitchen, and what an epic win for Sambhav Bhatnagar, who is our finalist from the North Zone. We'll see you all in the next episode. Thank you so much for tuning in.